Hello, welcome to this virtual reality art museum. I've created this room to display all kinds of artworks. The user can teleport to specific positions to admire the most trending paintings. You can display horizontal or vertical frames. Here you can see a landscape and a portrait next to each other. Let's teleport to the next position. Here's a bigger frame displaying a neat charcoal drawing. Finally, let's teleport to the third and last position in this VR gallery. On your right, you'll see a second portrait, and on your left, another exquisite charcoal landscape. The user can turn around and return to any of the previous positions. Frames can be customized. More frames can be added, and the space can be smaller or larger according to client needs. Subscribe for more virtual reality experiences. See ya in the VR world.